if you wanted to refresh a bathroom or kitchen, or if you needed to put a new roof on. This program basically allows them to do that without the normal red tape of a renovation loan. Traditionally, renovation loans require a contractor to be involved to complete all of the renovations. Where that becomes a little bit more challenging is a contractor has to submit documents for approval, prepare a bid, and make sure it's exactly how the lender wants it. And they have to get paid out in draws based on the work that's going to be done. This renovation loan program is cutting that out. The buyer has the ability to go to 2 or 3 stores or vendors of their choosing to select what they want to have done. We will roll that into the loan, and the appraisal is done under the assumption that those things are completed. But the big thing is you're cutting the contractor out. You are essentially cutting out the draw process. And for a buyer, you're cutting out a lot of the fees that sometimes make renovation loans less attractive. And traditional renovation loans can carry a higher interest rate, whereas this program does not.